First thing we need to understand is children only come through you, they don't come from you. They're not your property to be conducted whichever way you feel fit. No, they are not. You must do this. Stop parenting them. What they need is some good company, not a bloody boss walking around in the house. Yes or no? When you were growing up, did you like it?
When we treat our children as property, we subconsciously view them as extensions of our ego. Well, we try to fix our past failures through their future. In psychology, this is known as enmeshment. When boundaries are blurred and a child is treated as a possession, they lose their sense of agency. They don't learn how to make choices, they only learn how to perform for your approval. Science shows that property style parenting triggers the cortisol trap. When a child feels they must fulfill a pre-set script to be loved, their brain stays in a state of chronic stress. Research in the Journal of Positive Psychology suggests that over-controlling and ownership parenting stunts the development of the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that is responsible for executive function and emotional regulation. These kids grow up to be adults who struggle with decision paralysis, which means that they can't choose for themselves. External validation. They hunt for likes and titles to feel worthy because they never learned intrinsic value. To see the best version of your child, you have to be a gardener and not a carpenter. A carpenter hacks wood into a shape he wants. A gardener simply prepares the soil and lets the plant become what it is meant to be. If you own them, you limit them to the size of your own imagination. If you free them, they can go beyond you. If we keep treating our kids like property, we don't raise successful adults. We raise broken shadows of our own selves. If this resonated with you, hit the like button to help the algorithm put this in front of more parents who need to hear this. Subscribe to join a community that values consciousness over control. And before you go, I want to ask you a question. What is the one thing your parents expected of you that you will never force upon your own children? Let's break this cycle in the comments below. Bye-bye.